breath in and out. Good release in that middle one right there.
That's the one that was hurting.
Alright, gonna check the tailbone, so keeping your leg fully straight, go and lift your left leg as high as you can. Good, and your right. Alright, right was a lot harder. So tailbone adjustment here. This is gonna help realign tailbone, helps any low back pain, hip pain. And we're gonna retry it, left comes up. Good, and right. Nice, a lot higher, good job. Feel that you're tender there but not there?
Yeah.
So it is still out a little bit. You alright if I adjust it?
Yes, I'm a little nervous. She saws.
Nice and relaxed.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Remember, I'll never force it. It's not gonna go.
Mm,
Just relax, drop that shoulder.
this is good.
Good.
It's a little one.
Good. No. I got you. Nice, relax. There you go.